right there at the top. Right there.
It kind of just had a little bit of everything. Gives you a good start on, like helps you figure out what you want to do.
My favorite project was the roll cage because it showed me how to build a roll cage so that when I do it in the future, I know how to do it.
Probably the machining because Luke was here and he was very helpful with it.
Favorite project was the chassis project because we got to bend, notch, and like work as a group.
My favorite project was the motorcycle chassis because that's something I've never really knew I had an interest in. I had a really good instructor, and then he had a lot of background experience in that industry itself. So along with his background and my eagerness to learn something, I dove into that, head first and got as much as I could out of it.
Probably the roll cage, because that's what I came here for, is off-roading.
My favorite project was the motorcycle chassis.
My favorite project was the chassis project. Luke taught us a lot about notching and tube bending. Very useful to use.
Motorcycle chassis. I like motorcycles.
My favorite project is probably the rolling project, just because it was really cool.
My favorite project was, I would like to say the roll cage, because you got more hands-on with all your classmates instead of just doing group or individual projects. And it was pretty challenging just to get from Ben Tech all the way till you got to do this all by yourself. And I feel like that would be like the best project that we ever done.
My dream job in 10 years.
I got my dream job, thanks to Penny.
I'd like to be working in an off-road fabrication shop, but if not, doing just structural steel or doing something around a welder. Currently, I have a job at SpaceX as a friction stir welder that I landed through the school, and I plan on just being a manufacturing manager at SpaceX and make a living and I'm retired and building rockets.
Well, I work at a race shop, so I'm going to be doing roll gauges and all that, so everything that I learned, basically everything I learned.
I want to go back to the East Coast and start up my own off-road racing shop.
My dream job would be to own my own furniture company.
I want to build like custom furniture, art and stuff, and maybe do some motorcycles on the side.
Aerospace. Anything to do with space.
Hopefully open up my own business as a fabricator, doing something like what Troy does, is building off-road vehicles. That's what like my heart and goal was.
Probably pay better attention and stuff, ask more questions, ask for more help if I need it. Before I came here, I had a little bit of experience, not that much. I had used a little MIG before, but other than that, I hadn't welded that much. Coming here really helped me perfect my welds and overall get better.
Be a sponge, like absorb everything.
Pay attention.
Don't be lazy. Like when you have a project actually do it, don't just sit on your ass. Wait, can I say that? Don't sit on your ass.
Just keep your head up, man, and keep going. Don't quit.
Some advice I would give myself is definitely put your head on before you start welding. Hope you guys do good in your future.
Good luck.
Knowing that once I'm done building something, I get to look at the final result and see it come from scrap metal to this finished project. That's really cool.
Stay strong and get your stuff done.
Take advantage of your time. Don't sit around in the classroom all the time. Go out in the shops, do work, do side projects, get as much as you can out of school. You only take what you take out of it, so.
So yeah, so ever since just getting my hands on welding and actually didn't even look at it as like a job, more of it as like something I love doing. Just pretty much seeing the results on people's faces and just seeing what you can accomplish, and if you put your mind to it, you can just do whatever you want, pleases you. And just, you always learn something new, you learn tricks around stuff that you thought you could do it this way, but you could do it another way, and it's always gonna develop better and better.